fried pork and spring onion wontons. First, make the filling. Place mince, coriander, spring onion, soy sauce, rice wine or sherry, ginger, garlic, and lemongrass paste in a bowl. Mix well to combine. Season with white pepper. Here's how to shape the wontons. Take a wonton wrapper and top it with a teaspoonful of mince mixture. Brush a little water around the edges, starting with opposite corners of the wrapper. Bring all the corners together to enclose the filling. Then pinch together in the centre to seal. Continue filling and shaping the wonton wrappers to make 40 wontons. For the spring onion dipping sauce, place the spring onion, ginger, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and oil in a small bowl, and whisk to combine. To fry the wontons, heat the oil in a large frying pan over high heat. Remove the pan from the heat and carefully arrange the wontons over the base. Cook over high heat for 2 minutes or until the bases of the wontons are golden. Pour a quarter of a cup of water evenly over the wontons. Cover the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the wontons are cooked through and the water evaporates. Transfer the wontons to a serving plate. Serve immediately with spring onion dipping sauce. There you have it, delicious fried pork and spring onion wontons to share. For more party food ideas, head to our easy entertaining playlist here.